Welcome back to the InScentive Collection. I be the host, Brandon, and today we have a special fragrance that is going to be Zaharoff Extreme. Zaharoff Extreme. No guess as to what this is or what it's going to smell like. We're not going to waste a whole lot of time. Let's get into it. Ooh. Ready. Okay. I smell the 90s. I smell the 90s. Fresh spice, woody, aromatic, warm spice, leather, musk, patchouli, oud, amber, and smoky. All in one take. Your boy is good. All right. So we got cardamom, black pepper, rosemary, basil, and apple. In the middle notes, you got oud, birch, fir, and cashmeran. In the base, you got patchouli, olibanum, musk, leather, and vetiver. Very strong vetiver. Very, very strong vetiver. I'm getting a lot of basil, rosemary, vetiver, leather, musk. Yes. Very strong in those components. Very strong in those components. This is your typical, yeah, I don't want to say typical, but this is a very classic rendition of that fresh green type of fragrance. It is what it is. It's not, I would anticipate this not changing up a lot. Very aromatic. Yeah. Yeah. It's a good take on this type of DNA, this type of fragrance. Definitely masculine. I would say older gentleman for sure. It's well done. It's well blended. It's not tacky. It's not sloppy. It's not harsh. It's like I said. It's a good classic take on this type of DNA. Yeah. I'm trying to think of when I would wear this. It smells a lot like aftershave. You know, it doesn't necessarily. This is inside of that like your Hugo Boss #1. This is alongside that Calvin Klein Obsession. Like this is in that realm. I think you'd have to figure out if you like that. It's a very mature fragrance. It's an older style DNA. Much welcome though. I like it. I think it's a well done version of it. It's very traditional. Yeah, not bad, not bad. But it's also not anything that's amazing. You probably smell something very similar to this. You probably remember your dad or your grandfather wearing something like this. Don't let that scare you away. I definitely think it's something that you should try out. But those are just my first initial impressions. What do you guys think? Let me know. Yeah. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.